So today we are saving this lonely water oak from all the invasive privet that is surrounding it. So most people think that, they see the deer munching on this stuff and it's going to help them. Well, deer are actually choice herbivores. They take the best and then they keep on walking. So they're going to take the top of everything that's green. Well, when you have woodlands like this that 40 years ago were bulldozed and nobody planted anything in the dead of winter, what happened was crows and starlies and ravens, they all pooped out these privet berries that are invasive and native to China and Japan, and they put it on this topsoil that was recently bulldozed. So the entire 350 acres around me all at the same time was cleared and logged, and it was a bigger part of 1,850 acres known as the Pendleton Estate and a cattle farm. And the old man died in 1978 and everything was auctioned off in 81. So since then, all this privet has had 40 years to take place. And with all this being said, it takes a lot of money, it takes a lot of energy, it takes a lot of time to get out here and chainsaw the stuff up and get it back to where it needs to be. But in my free time, I like this as a hobby. I enjoy doing it. I like sharing it with y'all. It's fun, it's interactive. And to me, I just think it's a better use of the land. So what you see here is we're breaking down these trees so that they'll dry out quicker in little 4-foot sections. All of this is privet, and if you see those leaves right there that I'm dropping down, there are hundreds of little berries that are halfway formed. So what we're doing is we are making sure that none of that can reseed and go onto land that we've already cleared. So the pressure's in on us, basically. So as we're coming in here and doing this, we're going to lay it down. We're going to come by and burn it here in about 2 months when they lift the burn ban, and ultimately we can replant after we burn. One of the best things I've seen that could go up here and grow well would be white oak. Any of your oak varieties of red oak would do well here. Longleaf pine, shortleaf pine, slash pine will definitely be on the diversity list. We got to diversify this forest. It's most because a more diverse forest is always stronger than a uniform monoculture. So we've been sweating our butts off and we got all this cleared. It's all pretty. As you can see here, he's coming by with the garland, the sidekick, and the water and spraying each stump so none of this comes back. And then in 2 months in the fall, when the burn ban gets lifted, we will come by and burn all this crap off, and we'll turn woodlands like this more into woodlands like that behind him. That's green and actually has life. So everything being said with this, if we didn't have any straight trees, that's how much this invasive privet literally takes. It just takes over. And we had just 1-2 little pines. That was it. A couple water oaks and a couple corkwing elms. But you can see the sunlight and got it all taken care of. Looking good. Here is the view from the white oak. We got all this cleared out.